Value and price are different. Limits. Price is the money that the buyer and the seller agrees to exchange for a product or a service. Value is the significance of the product or the service to the seller or the buyer. Say you wanna buy a car and the price of it is 10 lakhs, but the value of the car to you may be different. If you really need a car and the car meets all the requirements that you require, the value is much higher. Compared to that, you already have an existing car and the car doesn't suit your needs, so the value of the car for you is much less. So the value is subjective for the buyer and the seller, and it depends on the circumstances. Price is objective and it depends on the market conditions and supply and demand of the product or service. Now let's talk about creating a value. Creating a value means increasing the worth of a product or service to the buyer or the seller, or both. Creating more value is the goal of any business because it creates more profit, more customer satisfaction, and competitive advantage. How to create value? So there are many ways, and one of the ways is improving the quality and performance of the product or service. You want to offer something that exceeds the customer's expectations and stands out from your competitors. You want to create value for your stakeholders, for example, employees, your suppliers, your investors, and your community. You want to treat them fairly or ethically so that you can build long-term relationships with them. For example, let's say you are a coffee shop owner. You are creating value by offering high-quality coffee, friendly service, comfortable ambience, and reasonable prices. You can also create value by paying your employees well, sourcing your coffee beans from ethical suppliers, investing in eco-friendly practices, and supporting local causes. You increase the value of a coffee shop to your customers and your other stakeholders and make your business more successful and sustainable. Follow the space for more such content. Bye.